Go, look.
Cheese.
Cheese. Beef, hindi cheese. Wag mo sagad dyan. Buhatin mo. Vlogger ka pala, look eh. Sige, diretso lang kasi kanan doon sa dulo. Look. Where's your key? Where's your key? Key. Door. Push mo yung elevator, look ah. Yes, go up. 8 an tayo. 2. Ito, amenities, time schedules. O, click mo yung elevator. Go, click up. Yes. A822. Saan yung 822? Left, dyan. Ayun, look.
I guess 822.
Okay. Pasok na. Room tour na. Tap mo. And then go. Pull. Push.
Push?
Nay, nilock mo na ulit eh. Go. Ganito lang, look. Wait for it to be green. And then go down. Go. Then push. Push. Ano ba?
Push. Yes. Great job.
Yan. Whoa.
You sweep us?
Oh, what's that?
A bed.
Tagalog. Kama.
Mama. How about the TV?
Anong tawag dyan? Television.
It will be short. Okay, put it back.
So, 2 beds.
Okay, we'll jump in bed.
Ano siya? Jump ka na sa bed?
Jump.
Ay, may ginagawa dito.
Wait.
Oh, look, ano. Sige, be careful. O yan, na-picture na kita. Go. Oh, yan, tamo. So, ano to? Glass. Tea. Sugar. Coffee. Water. Yung heater. Water heater. Minibar. Ano itong cabinets? Ayan. Yung usual standard. Oh, may pang bata look, oh. May pang maliit na tsinelas. Tsinelas slippers. Meron na kayong pwedeng pangsuot sa ano, sa bahay. Laundry bag. CR, toilet, tissue. Ano, sipilyo, shave, sabon. Ano to? Nail file. Mouthwash. Lotion. Suklay. Extra. Tapos shower. Shower area. Rain shower. Shower gel, conditioner, shampoo. Yan na. Meter ba ito? Lagaw. Dark chocolate. Oh, may dark chocolate. Libre ito. So cold?
Yes.
Yes po.
Cheese.
Yes po.
Yes po. Cheese.
Gusto mo ba look na cartoon? Wala yata cartoon look eh. Ay. Warner TV. What's up mga gala? Dito kami ngayon ni Luca Boy sa Clark Marriott. Look! Say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
Saan ka pupunta ngayon? Mag-swimming ka?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes po.
So yun. So this is the third vlog na to sa mga Hilton hotels. So pumunta kami swimming pool. Tara! Twitter.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's go.
Let's go. Click me down. Click me down.
Which one's down? Which one?
Ay, nakakalik na pala eh.
This? Two.
Yes, I know. Pool.
Pool. Let's go to the two. The pool. Let's go.
Go, go. Diyan, oh. Yan, walang table. Go, go, go. Go. Di ba nakapag-swimming ka na dito dati, Luke? Do you remember? Yung swimming. Look. Remove mo na yung slippers mo. One, two, say hi. Hi, Luke.
Hi. Over there?
Walang bathtub, Luke. Ubus mo yung chill-chill ka lang dyan Nanood ka lang nito Tapos na lecture. Back na sa hotel para makapag-edit ng video. So make sure to subscribe and comment kung saan kung gusto niyo pong gawin natin mga videos. So dito pala kapag may kasama kang bata tapos member ka ng Marriott Bonvoy na membership, which is yung kasama dito sa Hilton Hotels, Marriott, free sa breakfast yung 12 years old pababa. Sabi kanina sa reception, we'll go breakfast, okay?
Yeah. Wait for me.
Wait. Let's go. Go. Breakfast. Ano kakainin mo, look? What will you eat? Pancakes? Bread? Pancake?
Yes.
Yes po. Yes po.
Yes po. Did you go this way?
Click mo down.
This.
We go to the Goji kitchen.
Goji kitchen?
Yes.
Where's the Goji kitchen?
In the ground floor. Kakamot ka. Get ka cookies. Huwag ko mong kukuha mo na lang. O yan o. Waiting lang tayo. Hi ka, say hi. Hi, skeleton. Cheese. Doon kayo. You eat that na. Eat my cookies. Eat first the cake. Eat the cake. But delicious ba? Yo, look, ko mo pa. Para nakikita ko. O mamaya, pancakes ka.
Get you some coffee?
At choco na lang.
Hot choco.
Oh, coffee ba? Coffee, isang coffee sa hot choco.
Okay.
Hot choco?
Or ice choco?
Ice choco. Ice choco na lang yan.
Ice choco.
Niyan, look sa mo ko na kaya. How's the waffle, look? How's the waffle?
How's the waffle?
English. How about yogurt? You like it? Yes po. Busog. Are you full?
Yes.
Are you full? Yes po.
Cheese.
What are you saying? Where do you want to go? Bedroom or swimming pool?
Bedroom.
Why?
Ay, swimming pool.
Ano ba talaga? Say hi to the skeleton.
Spooky. Spooky. No, I go to the
Elevator.
hotel.
Swim ka na naman, Lo? Swim ka again? Yes?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes, book.
Are you cold?
Yes. I just need hot.
Iniginaw ka, no? Ayan. Trying the rig ng vlog. So ngayon, puntahan ko lang si Luke. Swimming siya dun sa sa swimming pool sa baba. Yo, wala ko pa swimming, Luke. You enjoy?
Yes.
Yes po.
Yes, look at these.
Let's go home. Go home.
No.
Nanay's waiting for you and Cody.
And add myself.
Okay, let's go. Check out tayo na. Uwi na.
22.
Let's go, look. Say bye.
Bye. Go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you for watching.
Lobby. We're at the lobby.
Lobby.
Waiting for the... Anong color ng van?
Black.
Black van.